Hello everybody, welcome to Chef Eliseo. Chef with two F's because I'm not a real chef. Today I bring you the recipe for a very delicious dessert. It's called flan, the way we make them in Puerto Rico. So the ingredients that we're gonna use are a can of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, another can of evaporated milk, 5 eggs, about a half cup of sugar, and we're gonna mix all of this except for the sugar in the blender. The eggs, the 5 eggs, the milk, and the vanilla. The tricky part is gonna be when we do the caramel, because that can get burnt, so you gotta be careful. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do this first, have it ready, and then go and start with the caramel, because that part, I would say the trickiest part, because this is very easy. You just mix this until it's all together. You don't have to mix a lot. You just try to mix it until it's all blended. Try to get all this out, because this is the sweet. This milk, the condensed milk, is the one that is gonna give it that sweet flavor, because this is pure sugar. I mean, I like sugar. I'm trying to avoid sugar, but once in a while it's okay, you know. Just don't have a lot of it. So we're gonna mix this. That's about it. Ready for the caramel now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stove in medium heat, and I'm gonna pour all the sugar, because it's gonna have to melt. You gotta watch it. You have to be here. Don't leave, because it might get burned. And if you burn it, you have to start all over. We're gonna melt this sugar and just let it take like a brownish color, like gold. Okay, that's the color that we want. And the way I'm gonna know is, once this, if you see a little smoke, take it out of the heat immediately. Okay, if you have a gas stove, you just turn it off. But on this one, you have to take it out, because this stove, the ceramic one, you know, it keeps cooking for like half an hour after you turn it off. So preheat the oven to 325, because we are using a convection oven. If it's the old style oven, you put it on 350. But since we're using a convection, we have to lower it 25 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for 1 hour. I'm not gonna use the whole mix. I'm gonna leave a little bit, because I don't like it too thick. The thicker you do it, the longer it takes to cook, and I want it kind of thin, so that it's easy to cook and in an hour. And then to make sure it's cooked, you put a knife. You put the knife inside, and when it comes out pretty clean, it doesn't have to be absolutely clean, but it cannot be all raw, you know. It has to be pretty much clean. So you see, now it's starting to smoke. That's when you have to take it out. So that's the color you want, like a little golden brown. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it cool down, and this is gonna start to crack. So don't be. I did it last night for the first time, and it was like cracking. I thought I messed it up. It starts to crack, but it's hardened now. And I'm gonna put it in here, but I have to put water first and make sure it's not drowning in the water. And that's another tricky part. When you're gonna put it inside the oven, you have to be very careful. So for this one, I put 3/4 of a cup of water inside this pan. It's about that. See how it cracked? And then I push it in and make sure that it's only getting to the, just barely reaching the top of the, not even the top, it's like below the top. So now let's put the mix. That's enough. So we leave it there for 60 minutes, okay? An hour. Don't open it, don't touch it, just in an hour we're gonna check it. If it's not done, we'll do 5 minutes or a little more, or that's it. So now that the flan is cool, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a plate on top and put it inside the refrigerator. So here's the final product. Well, I hope you like this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. On special occasions, you don't want to have this every day because it's a little rich. There's a lot of sugar and a lot of eggs and stuff. But hope that you can enjoy it with your family, and see you on the next video. Thanks to everybody that has subscribed to the channel. So remember, I have another channel, Eliseo Borero. It's a channel dedicated more to music themes and stuff that I do, performances and music lessons. So go check it out and subscribe to that one too, if you can. Thank you.